Adaptive cruise control enhances regular cruise control to allow you to automatically follow the vehicle ahead at a selected gap time while you steer. This conveniently reduces the need to frequently brake and accelerate. The feature uses a forward-looking camera, radar or both camera and radar sensors. These sensors look directly ahead to monitor vehicles that you're following. Just like regular cruise control, adaptive cruise control uses on, off, set and resume buttons on the steering wheel. When the system is turned on, a white icon is displayed. To choose your cruise speed when no vehicle ahead is detected, press the set button, which changes the white icon to green. Unlike regular cruise control, adaptive cruise control features a following gap button on the steering wheel to let you select either a far, medium or near following time between you and a vehicle ahead. For each setting, you will follow at different distances. For instance, you'll follow at a longer distance when travelling at higher speeds than you would at lower speeds. If a vehicle is not detected in your path, adaptive cruise control works just like regular cruise control. When a vehicle is detected ahead in your driving lane, a green icon is displayed. When this vehicle is within your selected following gap time, the adaptive cruise control system can automatically accelerate or apply limited braking to maintain the chosen following gap time. Just as with regular cruise control, you can switch out of automatic control by braking or accelerating. The system will resume control once the accelerator is released. In vehicles equipped with full speed range adaptive cruise control, the system can even follow a vehicle ahead to a stop. When the vehicle ahead starts driving again, you can continue to automatically follow by pressing the accelerator or resume button. If you don't respond soon after this occurs, the display will flash and beeps will sound or the seat will pulse to remind you to check traffic ahead before proceeding. If the adaptive cruise control system is controlling speed and detects you may be about to collide with the vehicle you're following, such as when vehicles ahead suddenly slow or stop, you will receive a forward collision alert to alert you to quickly take control of the vehicle. Remember, the adaptive cruise control system can only apply limited braking, so your complete attention is always required while driving. The system also may not react to parked, stopped or slow-moving vehicles. Always be ready to take action and apply the brakes. Do not use the adaptive cruise control system on winding or hilly roads or on freeway exit or entrance ramps, or when trailering. In these driving conditions, the system may not detect the vehicle ahead, or the system could unexpectedly accelerate if the vehicle ahead is no longer detected.